In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office in Outlook without auto reply. If you want to block time in your calendar to show that you're away, but you don't want Outlook sending automatic email responses, this is a simple and useful way to do it. Instead of turning on automatic replies, you'll create a calendar event and mark it as out of office. That way, people checking your availability can see that you won't be available while your inbox settings stay unchanged. To begin, open Outlook and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once Outlook is open, go to the Calendar section. This is where you can create events, appointments, and availability blocks for your schedule. After you're in the calendar view, click New Event. This will open a new event window where you can enter the details for the time you'll be away. Start by adding attendees if needed. This is helpful if you want certain people to be aware of your planned absence, or if the time away affects a meeting or shared schedule. If you don't need to notify anyone directly, you can simply leave that part blank and continue filling out the event for your own calendar. Next, enter the title of the event. Choose something clear and simple, such as out of office or away from desk, so it's easy to recognize later. Then, select the time and date for when you'll be unavailable. Be careful to set the correct start and end time, especially if you're only away for part of the day. If you'll be out for a full day or multiple days, make sure the date range reflects that accurately. Once those details are complete, look above in the event options and select Out of Office. This is the important part because it changes your status on the calendar and lets others know you are unavailable during that time. It does not turn on an automatic email reply, so your email will continue working normally without sending messages back to anyone. After everything looks correct, click Save. Your out-of-office time will now appear on your calendar, and your availability will be updated accordingly. This is a great option when you want to manage your schedule clearly without using auto-reply. It keeps your calendar accurate, helps co-workers understand when you're unavailable, and gives you more control over how your absence is shown in Outlook.